Hello everyone. So today in this section we'll be learning about another type of noun called as compound nouns. Now compound nouns is a noun that includes two or more than two words. So it is formed by mixing two or more words into a single noun. For example, air conditioner. These are two separate words coming together to form a single noun. Similarly, homework, home, work together will make a compound noun. Now, compound noun can be written in three ways. It can be written as a single word, it can be written as two words, or it can be hyphenated. Now you see if it's a single word, it will be written without any space, without any hyphen, but it is a single word formed out of two different words, like toothpaste. Toothpaste is a single word. It's a compound noun. Similarly, rainforest. It's a compound noun, but it has a space in between. And self-esteem is a compound noun, but it has a hyphen in between. Moving on, there is one thing that needs to be noted here, that proper nouns. You recall proper nouns? It names specific people, places, animals or things. So proper nouns have a specific name. So even two-word proper nouns can also be classified as compound nouns. For example, Atlantic Ocean. It's a two-word proper noun. It can be classified as a compound noun as well. Eiffel Tower, again it's a two-word proper noun, but it can be also classified as compound nouns. Now there is another point that you have to keep in your mind. Now when a compound noun is a single word, it can be made plural by adding an S to that particular word in the end. Now here you can see another example. For example, bedroom is a single word. It's singular. Now you can make it plural by just adding an S to the S in the end of that word. So when a compound noun is a single word, we can make it plural by just adding an S in the end. Now, apart from this, there is another important point that needs to be noted, which is, now if any compound noun is hyphenated or composed of two separate words, we have to remember that we have to add S only to the word that can become a plural, or to the word that is plural. Now with an example, it will be more clear to you. Here you can see that one mother-in-law, it is singular. Now to make it plural, you add an S to the word mother, because there are two mothers and not two laws. So it will be two mothers-in-law, because there are two mothers here. So it will be S will be added to the word mother to make it plural. So one mother-in-law will be two mothers-in-law. So I hope this section was clear too. Compound noun, which can be written in three ways. It can be written as a single word, or as two separate words, or it can be written with hyphen. Then we studied that a two-word proper noun can also be classified as a compound noun. Then there were two important points, that when a compound noun is a single word, we can make it plural by adding an S to the end. And if the compound noun is made up of two separate words, or if it's hyphenated, we have to add S only to the word that is plural. Thank you.